almost at my exit, buddy. I think this is it. I am doing this shit all off of muscle memory from what I did yesterday. Let's go, buddy! This bike feels so good. Alright, 11:24, so we should still be there by, according to the car's GPS, I would have been there by 11:42, is that what I said? And now it's 11:24. Maybe we could get there by 11:30. Woo! Where's my rear brake? No rear brake? Is it? Oh shit, wrong turn. Oh bloody hell. I messed up, wrong way. Should have been up here instead. Having a little bit of brake fade there in the back brake, isn't it? Having a wee bit of brake fade, mate. Alright, we almost there. But this thing runs like a champ, bro. Still got a little bit of speed wobble. I must still have to figure out the stabilizer part. But only occasionally. So when I'm up there high, I get a little bit of shake, but you know, still not as bad as what it was. It is stoppy, you know. They like it. Police. That's the second cop that I've seen so far. I was gonna do a couple wheelers, but not gonna do that because I do not want to get in trouble. Remember if I'm going the right way. Oh yeah. I'm going the right way. We are in the vicinity of Chester. But yeah, we're almost there to pick the rotor up, and then I gotta order the rotor adapter and then some other shit, but still working on getting this handbrake installed. This thing has been a journey, man. It has been a journey. just like that, we made it. We made it, y'all. Still got 10 minutes to spare. 11:33, so 9 minutes to spare. We made it. Okay, so got my booster rotor. Now back to the house we go. It is now 11:57. I gotta make it back down by 12:50 so I can get ready for work. I got the rotor close to my chest, so I won't be really sending it, but I'll make it back down. Also, my brake pads weren't put in correctly, so nothing was holding them in. There's a little pin that was supposed to hold them in. I didn't have them connected to the pin, so the guy just told me that could have been disgraceful, because they could have slipped out and locked up in the brake, and then, you know, you don't want to unexpectedly lock your rear brake up. You want to lock it up yourself. So, you know, that's that where that is concerned. So put them in correctly, but they're still too small. The direction is still too small. So now I just when I go down, wash my hands and then order the brackets and stuff and wait for them to come in, and then that's the next project. I'm glad I got a bike, bro. And I take the bike out, because if not, I'll be sitting in traffic. Like that, I'm out of there. Oh shit, of course I gotta get gas again. I just got gas yesterday, bro. Alright, it's 12:12. I gotta be back down by 12:50. Bloody hell. Alright. Let's do this. I did not want to come this way, but you know, gotta get gas, so. Bloody hell. This threw me off. Also, these tires have been doing good. They've been holding up, mine. You know? But, alright, I think this is where I'm gonna leave this video. Until next time, y'all know what to do. Ride safe. Peace.